Hi there, my name is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and welcome to our landing page builder. This is all part of our website management system for the domain name that you picked to go with your silver or platinum website. This is meant as an overview, and I'm not going to go over each specific landing page because they all have their own help videos. But I just wanted to give you an overview of what's available and what you can do with these incredible landing page, opt-in page, squeeze-in pages that will generate leads as associates or for any autoresponder or basically anything that you want to do, you can achieve with this incredible gallery that we currently have 40 landing page designs for you to choose from. Some of them are video landing pages, as you can see as I scroll through them, and some of them have like video backgrounds, such as this one, number 5. Many of them have some basic opt-ins. Some of them are like a YouTube video background, which is easier than doing just a straight video background. Okay, you can scroll down, and as you can see, we've got some that give away courses and things. Some of our favorites are the custom ebook giveaways because Worldprofit has an ebook builder. If you're not familiar with it, just look on the left-hand menu and you'll see an article area where you can click and build your own ebooks. And you can see there's a couple of ebook giveaway pages here. Scrolling down, you can see even more. We've got affiliate lead grabber, which grabs an affiliate site, puts it down on here. Magic site grabber, which is fantastic to grab any website and put it onto your page. The neatest thing about this though, and I really like this, is these are all under your domain name. In other words, when you go to create a page, for example, if I just was to grab one of these where I don't have any, or even if I do, it doesn't matter, and I click on them and I say I want to add a new page, it will ask me for something in here, and you can see it'll be georgekosch.com / and then the name that I put in here. So if you were doing something to do with an MLM, you would put in the name of the MLM maybe. Again, no periods, no commas, no spaces or anything, just a basic word. Meaning all of these landing pages are on your website. Okay, so that's important to understand that these are your landing pages. So if we scroll back down, you can click on any of these numbers up here to immediately go down to that one. One of our favorites is landing page builder number 13. This is squeeze page, meaning all you have to do is put an image in here, and when people click on the image, they go and say join or do whatever to any of these sites that you want to select. So this is the most universal one. And again, if you're a platinum member, you have access to the Worldprofit graphic studio. So you can create your graphic and automatically in the graphic studio, create a landing page 13. So you don't have to worry about it. You can go the other way. Create your graphic, click a button, and it'll create landing page builder 13. That one's absolutely fantastic. Okay, and if we continue down here, just to give you some of the highlights, we have an ebook giveaway again, modern responsive video page. So if you've created a YouTube video, you can put it in here and sign people up to anything that you want. And again, incredible. Even if you have eBay or anything that you're trying to sell, this one here will take a screen capture of the page that you put in, and then you can use it to have people click on the page and then they'd actually go. It's kind of like a squeeze page builder, but it grabs images of other sites instead. Really good profile builder where you can have a whole bunch of products listed. Again, I'm going to let you click on these and go through the video for each one that you want to select. But they're pretty incredible, videos. And then you even have this one. I call this the no limits web page builder, which I'll show you really quick. You click on it and you can use templates. You go into the template gallery and you can pick any template you want, and then you can edit these pages. And that's fantastic. You can then have an editor to edit the pages all that you want. And then you can see how some of them using the templates are already built for you. You can click on here and change them and do anything you want. Again, there's a fantastic landing page 40 help video that you'll find in each one. Again, if you have any questions about any of this, feel free to fill out a support ticket because we're here to help you. One last thing, you can use autoresponders in here too. So if you're a platinum member and you have an autoresponder set up, automatic, again, watch the help video for each one and it'll help you out. Okay, so thank you very much, and Again, any questions, just fill out a ticket. Thanks.